So I have a BMW F11 2.0 diesel, and it has a problem with remote control. So when I start it, I close all the doors. Now what happens is when I leave the car and shut the door, the key is still inside, but the car gives me error that remote control is not present or at fault. So let's try it out. I close the door. Yeah, nothing. I'll go outside the door, leave the key inside, and open another door so that we can recreate that error. Now the door is open, and I'll close it right now. And as you can see, the error comes right away to display, and it goes after 10 seconds.